Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's start. Okay, so that's all inside, nothing more. So let's quickly open this. Okay, here we have some banknotes. So let's check that later. Now let's see what we have in this package inside. Okay, here we have the coins in a good holder and a cover. So let's check this one first. You can see these are some color coins. You can check all different colors. So let's check what we have next. And the next one we have here is few more foreign different country coins, and it is a good condition. So we have two pages of foreign coins, different coins, and we mostly won't see this type of coins in any collection. So let's try to open this banknote. I am not sure how to open this. Let's try. Okay, here we go. Let me quickly open this. Okay, here we have some tape also. Okay, here we have the notes. So let's check what we have. And you can see this is a small beautiful currency note. And one more we have here is So we have got two two currencies, two different currencies, plus 2 pages of coins, foreign coins. So that's all for this video, guys. We have some coins and few currencies, two currency notes. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Sooner this will be on sale on our website also. Do check out.